Sreekrishnapuram Assembly Constituency. Sreekrishnapuram Assembly Constituency was one of the 140 state legislative assembly constituencies in Kerala state in southern India before the 2008 delimitation of constituencies. Previously, it was also one of the state legislative assembly constituencies included in the Palakkad Lok Sabha constituency. History. Sreekrishnapuram constituency was formed in 1965. C. Govinda Panikkar was first elected MLA from the constituency. Constituency was delimitated in 2008. After the delimitation, Velangi Panchayat and Cherpulasari municipality, which were in the old Sreekrishnapuram constituency, became part of Shornur Assembly constituency, and Kadampajapuram, Karampaja and Sreekrishnapuram Panchayats became part of Ottapalam Assembly constituency. Members of Legislative Assembly. The following list contains all members of Kerala Legislative Assembly who have represented the constituency. Key, C, Key, C, Key, Key, C, 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 Key, C. CPIM Inc. References equals